There's a lot of talk about guns in Florida. You hear about it all the time. People argue about what's allowed and what isn't. One of the biggest questions is about open carry. Can you walk down the street with a handgun on your hip? The answer is not as simple as you might think. This confusion leads to endless debates online and in person. People get passionate. They cite different rules. They point to other states. It's time to get some clarity. It's important for everyone, whether you own a gun or not, to know the actual law. The confusion makes sense. Gun laws are complicated. So, what do these terms even mean? Let's break it down. Open carry is exactly what it sounds like. It means carrying a firearm in public where it is plainly visible to other people. Think of a handgun in a holster on your belt, a rifle slung over your shoulder. The gun is not hidden. It is out in the open for everyone to see. There is no attempt to cover it with a jacket, a shirt, or a bag. In states that allow it, this is a common way for licensed individuals to carry their firearms for personal protection. Concealed carry is the opposite. It means carrying a firearm in public, but in a way that hides it from view. The gun is concealed. You might have it in a holster under your jacket, inside your waistband covered by your shirt, in a purse or backpack. The key is that other people around you do not know you have it. The firearm is not visible. Florida has allowed concealed carry for decades. Florida's gun laws haven't always been the way they are today. Like many states, the rules have evolved over time. If you go back far enough to the 19th century, open carry was much more common and largely unregulated. It was simply part of the culture in many areas of the country. But as the state grew and became more urbanized, things began to change. Lawmakers started to introduce more regulations on how and where firearms could be carried. The goal was to balance the rights of gun owners with the need for public order and safety in increasingly crowded cities. The biggest shift happened in 1987. The Florida legislature passed a law that effectively banned open carry in most public places. At the same time, it created a shall-issue system for concealed carry permits. This meant that if you met the legal requirements, being a certain age, having a clean criminal record, taking a safety course, then the state had to issue you a permit, and you could legally carry concealed. That 1987 law set the foundation for Florida's gun culture for over 30 years. Ever since that ban, there have been repeated efforts to bring open carry back. So where does that leave us today, in October 2025? The law is clear on one thing. Open carry of a firearm is generally illegal for the average citizen in Florida. You cannot walk down a Miami street or through a Tampa park with a pistol on your hip. The 1987 ban is still the law of the land. The 2023 permitless carry law allows you to carry a concealed weapon if you meet the requirements, but it does not allow you to carry it openly. This is the single most important fact to remember. Violating this law can lead to a misdemeanor charge, fines, and even jail time. There are, of course, exceptions. Open carry is permitted in a few specific situations. For example, fishing, camping, lawful hunting. You can also openly carry at your home or at your place of business. Law enforcement officers,